Okay, the nervous system consists of two parts. That is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Now, the central nervous system consists of your brain and spinal cord. And basically, that's where all the signals and information goes to or leaves, if not stored, in the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is responsible to get the signals or information to the central nervous system and to get that information or signal from the nervous system out. Now, there's two divisions in the peripheral nervous system. There's the sensory division and the motor division. Now, the sensory division has to do with your senses. Say there's a signal from your eyes, skin, mouth, or anything that has to do with your senses. That information is sent through your sensory neurons, which goes through the spinal cord all the way to the central nervous system, where that information is processed, analyzed, you name it, so to see if there's a response that is needed.
Parkour!
Okay, everything's going smoothly and then some random clip goes by and what's going on? Well, you saw it, you heard it, so what's going on? What are your senses relaying to your central nervous system? Well, let's have a look. Okay, so some of you are gonna take that clip and just be like, what is parkour? Some of you might look it up on YouTube, some of you might not care at all. Well, whatever you do, it just brings us to our next topic, which is the motor division. Now, the motor division takes information from the central nervous system and sends it to target cells through motor neurons. And now, there's two different kind of motor neurons, if you say. There's the stomatic and automatic. The stomatic controls voluntary movements, while the other nervous system controls involuntary movements. For example, as you can see, a voluntary movement will be moving our muscles. The autonomic nervous system is involuntary movements, and this can be divided into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic divisions. So what this means, the sympathetic, for example, let's use the heart. The sympathetic is known as the fight or flight response, and this increases the heart rate, for example, during exercise or something of that means. The parasympathetic does just the opposite. It actually slows down the heart rate and is known as the rest and digest response.